first groundbreaking for a major ecosystem project under the Navigation and Ecosystem Sustainability Program, made possible by the construction New Start and appropriations given under President Biden's bipartisan infrastructure law. Today also marks a substantial start of what will be the first fish passage of its kind on the Mississippi River, enabling a more healthy and sustainable ecosystem to exist both and above and below the lock and dam 22.
This is unique, but quite frankly, it shouldn't be unique. This is what we need to be doing in all our projects and our programs, is looking for multi-purpose, multi-benefit wins associated with the investments we make. Every project needs to advance multiple benefits, and particularly not just for today, but sustainability purposes in the long term.
It is unique and innovative, and the Corps of Engineers is really proud to be part of that innovation.
The strength of our partnership is why we are here. Your collective choice to work beyond your individual interests, to appreciate the inherent value of the many ways people use and interact with the river. This is the power of collaboration.
This particular program is something that is of great interest to folks in the White House and across the cabinet. This is one of the best examples that I have seen in the country, because the team requires all of the agencies on the federal level to sync up.
We are building this fishway in a way that we believe is going to be very successful at Lock and Dam 22, but we want to build more. And this program has the authorization to be able to build more in the future. So what's important for us is to look at this fishway and figure out, well, what if we made it smaller? What if we changed the opening? So we're going to be doing a lot of adaptive management studies.
Make it official.
Here, what they're doing is creating an incision in the belly of the fish, the area where we're not going to hit any organs or anything, and then they insert that tag internally. They do 2 to 3 sutures and close that up.
Look at that, she's
Mr. Connor, what are you naming your fish?
Nest.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Duke.
In honor of the Rock Island District, this fish is named Rocky.
What kind of fish?
Smallmouth buffalo.
All right.